Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today is Wednesday and for me it's Tuesday, for you it's Wednesday. Today, Tuesday for me, I am working from home. So last night I went over to my friend, my next door neighbor, Jenna's house, and we did some crafting. And so today I'm getting ready to pack my lunch up and some snacks and grab my work computer, and I'm going to go over there and just kind of hang out, do my job, later on do some crafting, just kind of have some socialization. Being stuck in the house for days without socialization is not good. So I just figured we'd go through, make my lunch, and then when I get to her house, we will look at the crafts that we did last night. So, for lunch, what you have for lunch? I'm going to have a roast beef and cheese sandwich, some chips, cookies, and Pepsi. And I'll probably just grab some snacks and things. So I'm going to go make that, and then I'll meet you back right here. I did have one thing I wanted to show you. So this drawer back here is off the track because of the cat. And so when you go to close it, it does all that. Well, I was in there trying to, you have to push it down and pull it out, and I had my fingers in there and it slammed on there. Look at this nail. Yowzers. Okay? Yowzers. I decided last night to take my fingernail polish off to look at it. That was not fun. And it seemed to hurt worse. I guess because it had the ability to breathe and expand or do whatever it needed to do. But man, that thing hurts. So, it feels better today. It only, I can feel it. It has like a tingling sensation, but if I touch it, even barely, little tender. All right, let me go make my sandwich. In other news, I went out to clean off my car because we might have to go in tomorrow. That snapped off. My wiper blade completely snapped off because I was trying to pull a piece of ice off. Huge block of ice, and then I saw it was bending, so I was like, oh no, let's turn it this way, and fantastic. See you in the spring. All right, so I wanted to show you some of the ephemera that I've been working on. In the evenings, after work, or working from home, I took a napkin, I laminated it, I created a pocket. I put these two little hearts on a paper clip and put it on there. I took a piece of clear acetate that has the saying love on it, put it on here with a covered paper clip with a couple of hearts. My neighbor made this. She took different pieces of washi and materials and just covered a heart and just made it really cute. She also did this. She took this heart trim and put it around the outside. Put this on there. Just layered it up really cute. I made this one. I was trying to layer and be a big girl. So I put this and this and this. This is just held on by this altered paper clip that we put a bow on. She had to glue on this and make the bows because I could not. Okay, great. I made this pocket. She made a bow to put on there. I made this heart and just put little layers of things all over it. My neighbor made this one. She took the dollar store sequins or whatever you want to call it and glued them around, made a pennant with the word beautiful. We love that. She made this with my letters that have been in a jar. I made the coffin pocket and just cut off the spider webbing on the top of this and just left this one with the, crooks and cracks, and we covered it with one of her bows. I think she tied that bow. Maybe I did. Maybe she did. I'm not sure how the bottom is supposed to go, so I just kind of smushed them and glued them to the, the folding I was very confused on, so I need to find a tutorial on that, but then I was just stuffing it with cute little things. We made the teapot. This was hers. Mine is over at her house drying. We just cut a couple of these out. And then I made the Christmas bag, but I used the Valentine's pad from Michael's. And I did doubles on here. I think next time I'm going to put doubles on the inside as well, so that it's not just the handles that are doubled up. So those are all of the fun things that my neighbor and I have been making in the evenings. I skate over to her house and skate back home after work. So today, as I'm waiting for work projects, I've just come through and cleared my floor, vacuumed it, swept it, vacuumed it, mopped it. I'm going to clean the rug. I cleaned these nasty feet that were full of yuck. We don't know what it was. And I'm trying to organize my spaces better and get, all of the things that I brought in here put away. I got rid of my old laminator, put my new one here. I'm now working on the tops of surfaces. I have to do this. And my desk. And all of this essentially goes in the floor, but I would like to go through it, figure out what I need, what I don't need, things like that. This is extra storage that I've been able to create from consolidating items. This part is going to be, this is packing materials down here. These are just storage for ephemera I've made or things I may be working on or something like that. I moved my pens out of here, and I have this ready to go. I've got like 5 of these ready to go. So I'm probably going to continue to house that over here. And then as I figure out what I need these items for, I can just go and grab. Here's another empty storage. So, yeah. But that's what I've been doing as I've been working from home. These boxes need to be gone through. I took all of my pens that were in a plastic bin and I just put them in here. And I labeled it pens, because these are the ones I can bead, these are ones that I can use and or put in blind date with a book, like the highlighters and stuff. I like to put in the blind dates with the book. These are still all of my notebooks for junk journaling or creating journals. That's Cricut stuff. This is still ephemera. So, yeah. I've taken all of the boxes and put them in my bedroom closet because I don't want to get rid of them in case I ship things out. So the next thing I want to do is reorganize all of my ribbon, figure out what I have to have, what I don't have to have, which I should probably keep it all because who knows what I will need, but yeah. So that's what we're doing and have done over the past 3 days as I have been stuck at home in the snow, or the ice. The first day we had off from work, and yesterday and today I've just been working from home because they haven't cleared us, and I hear some movement out there, but I see nothing on our streets. We're still solid ice. So that's fantastic. All right, guys, have a great evening, and I will see you again on Friday with an update on what's going on in my craft room and any other pieces of ephemera or things that I may have made. But before we go, let's check out the finger. Yeah, that's how the finger's looking today. I don't know if I'm going to lose a nail or what's going to happen, but that's how it looks today. Have a great evening, everyone. Bye.